Welcome to another edition of PLP's Distribution Tips and Tricks. Today we will be following up on our most recent video on FR materials. In that video we discussed UL94, which is used in determining relative flammability for plastic materials. The most referenced portion of UL94 is the vertical burning test. Let's take a quick look at how that test is set up. The specimen is mounted on the long axis vertical over top of a premixed methane flame. The flame is applied to the lower edge of the specimen for 10 seconds. If burning ceases within 30 seconds, the flame is reapplied for an additional 10 seconds. If the specimen drips particles, these are allowed to fall onto a layer of cotton placed below the specimen. The test can result in three potential ratings, V0, V1, or V2 if the criteria has been met. To achieve a V0 rating, the following is required. None of the 5 samples can have flaming combustion for more than 10 seconds after each of the two 10-second flame applications. A total flaming combustion time for the 10 10-second flame applications of no more than 50 seconds. Samples may not burn with flaming or glowing combustion up to the holding clamp. None may drip flaming particles which ignite the cotton located 305 millimeters below the sample. Samples may not have glowing combustion which persists for more than 30 seconds after the second removal of the flame. Understanding the testing behind UL94 V ratings is essential because this rating can be the deciding factor when it comes to product selection. In fact, V0 rated products have become an important part of many utilities' fire safety practices due to their ability to help reduce the spread of component-related fires. Thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for the next episode of PLP's Distribution Tips and Tricks.